11 places to get paid to take pictures. There are several simple methods to make money taking images without being a professional. A lot of individuals have taken up photography as a hobby due to improved smartphone cameras and raising affordability of high-quality digital cameras. Most people are unaware of the fact that this pastime might earn you some quick money. There are several venues where you can sell photos online if you love taking pictures and have an eye for detail. Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about 11 places where you can get paid to take pictures. Let's see what we have for you to make massive profit with low investment. If you want to find out more about it, then stay with us until the end of the video. Also, before we start the video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell icon for more amazing videos. And let's get started. There are a few applications that pay you to shoot images if you're interested in getting paid for your photos, but don't want to put too much time and effort into the process. EyeEm. A quick and simple approach to sell your images online is what EyeEm is designed for. Your camera roll is automatically scanned by the EyeEm app, which then chooses the best images. You are still free to decide what you want to sell online, so you are not required to sell items that are excessively personal. Although EyeEm is practical, you don't keep as much of the revenue. Only 50% of the revenue generated by your images will go to you. Foap. Another software that lets you sell photos directly to major corporations is Foap. Similar to EyeEm, Foap is simple to use and halves the commission when your photos are sold. The missions feature of Foap is one way that it differs from EyeEm. With the help of a dedicated section on Foap, you can submit images for consideration by learning what a company is searching for. You are paid more if the image is selected. Snapwire. Compared to other websites that sell stock photos, Snapwire operates a little differently by responding to imaginative challenges. You can use images to earn money on Snapwire. You must read the brief and share your images to participate. You are paid if your photos are selected. You advance in levels for the chance to participate in live buyer requests and other commission tasks when buyers nominate your images. Contributors to Snapwire can keep up to 70% of the proceeds from successful requests and challenges. MyPic. One of the simplest methods to make money selling images is through MyPic. Simply capture photos and post them in your gallery using your phone or computer. When your image sells, the MyPic team takes care of all of the other details, including promotion, printing, shipping, and customer service. Your photograph's resolution is also examined, and only those that would print nicely are displayed. However, MyPic's convenience also results in a payment reduction. For their work, MyPic artists might receive a commission of up to 20%. Although that might be lesser than other sites on this list, it's still a respectable amount for a passive source of income. Sell stock photos. Stock photo websites are among the simplest places to find work as a photographer. When businesses or individuals need a specific image, they search stock photo websites and pay a nominal charge for the right to use the image. You will receive a portion of the cost they pay if they choose your photo. A stock photo website allows anyone to upload their photos and earn money. Make sure there are no company names or logos in the photos, as this will render them useless. Any type of business should be able to use generic stock photographs. Shutterstock. Regardless of expertise levels, Shutterstock is one of the popular platforms to start with. Every image you upload could potentially be viewed and purchased by thousands of viewers due to the site's immense popularity. Shutterstock's user-friendly app is another fantastic aspect of the company. Any smartphone with the app installed will allow you to capture a photo and post it directly to Shutterstock. The program also offers features that provide you with useful information, such as the type of photographs that users are looking for. Adobe Stock. One of the top online photo marketplaces is Adobe Stock. Your photos might receive a lot of recognition and downloads through this website. Any content you publish to Adobe Stock will also be visible on Fotolia, a major stock photo website that Adobe Stock acquired in 2014. Photographers receive 33% of the price of their images from Adobe Stock. With this set fee, there is less possibility for development even though you might start out making more money with Shutterstock. Snapped for You. Snap for You only wants event images from weddings, concerts, event portraits, etc., in contrast to other stock photography websites that embrace a range of themed photos. Typically, people go to Snap for You to buy the photos that were taken of them. If you reside in a popular tourist region, you may offer to take pictures of visitors and direct them to websites where they can download the images. You only need to upload your photos and choose the price of up to $20 per image. After that, Snap for You sells the files straight to your clients. Getty Images, iStock. Getty Images is one of the greatest online stores for selling high-quality photographs because so many significant publications use them. However, in order to sell your photographs on this stock photography website, you must apply to be accepted. Within 30 business days after submitting your application, you should receive a response. You'll gain access to Getty Images' sizable user audience of more than 1.5 million if your photographs are chosen. The range of royalties is between 15 to 45%. By deciding to sell your work only through Getty Images, you can receive larger fees. Considering how competitive this program is, just submit your finest pictures. Sell your photos as art. You might want to sell your photos online as fine art if you are more artistic than the typical stock shot. Etsy. One of the largest online markets with a focus on handcrafted goods is Etsy. Etsy is a terrific site to sell your images online because so many people use it to buy art on a daily basis. You may create your own online store and start selling your pictures using Etsy. Photomoto. Photomoto is excellent if you're more interested in starting a successful photography business. Photomoto is not a marketplace online. It's a service that takes care of orders, prints your images, and ships them to you. If you want to create your online website to sell images, Photomoto is fantastic. You only need to focus on taking images. It will take care of the business side. Society 6. In the same way that MyPic allows you to put your images on products like water bottles, mouse pads, and coffee mugs without really selling them, Society 6 allows you to do the same. Additionally, you can sell pictures as posters, canvases, and more. Although the 10% that artists receive may seem little, all you have to do is upload your images and choose the products you wish to sell. What you need to take professional photos. To take professional quality pictures, all you need is a smartphone and some photo editing software. Smartphone camera. The greatest digital cameras from 10 years ago cannot compare to today's smartphone cameras. Using your smartphone is the best option if you want to earn money taking images without making a significant investment. Make sure the smartphone you select has a superior camera. Professional camera. The next step in becoming a full-time photographer is investing in a professional camera, but picking the right camera can be difficult. For instance, the Canon EOS Rebel T7i is a good option that is a little more expensive and is a great budget DSLR alternative to the Nikon D3500. To save money, try looking for refurbished copies of them on eBay or at your neighborhood camera shop. Photo editing software. With the help of photo editing software, you may improve your photography skills even though you might be able to produce some fantastic photographs with just a smartphone. Excellent editing software is widely available, and some of it is even free. Adobe Photoshop. The most popular photo altering program is Adobe Photoshop. Even a subpar shot may be readily transformed into a work of art using Photoshop. The options are limitless, and Adobe Photoshop includes a ton of functionalities. Photoshop's fame and adaptability, however, come at a heavy cost. Pixlr. Pixlr is an excellent substitute for Photoshop if you want to modify your images for free. You can use the free version of Pixlr in your web browser. Therefore, neither any download nor upfront payments are required. You can edit pictures while on the road with Pixlr's mobile app. Affinity Photo. Affinity Photo just requires a one-time payment, not a monthly fee like Photoshop and Pixlr Pro do. The editing feature offered by Affinity Photo for iPad are unmatched by any other app and include sophisticated retouching tools, liquify effects, layering, 360-degree picture editing, and more. And this is it for today, guys. What are your thoughts on today's video? Share with us in the comments below. And don't forget to hit like, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell icon so you don't miss any of the latest updates. And thank you for watching.